happens when you disrespect a partner? What goes through your mind when you're in a relationship with someone that you believe love you and respect you? Well, this talk is about understanding the choice that you make when you disrespect the person that you truly desire to be with. Understand that we talk about love and relationships, but we forget about the way you treat someone. And this is why, as a love doctor, I teach and give information on how you understand the person that you're bringing into your life. Because a lot of times what we do is that we feel that our relationships just going to be the way we think they should be, but we don't really think about the person's behavior and character. And this is why I want to talk about this, because your decision, right, is that what you treat someone is on the basis of you. It is your choice to decide to love and respect someone, right? So if you are going to go into a relationship, you have to understand what it takes to really truly be loved by someone on the basis of respect. Okay? So stay with me as I give you some quick ideas on what it takes. So you're with Love Dr. Pamela. Thank you for joining me and following me. Make sure you go up and look in the link in the description. Check out, I have my community going on. You can join. We're going to have workshops. We have so much going on. Stay apart and be with me, because my goal is to give you transformations and give you strategies to having successful love. So thank you for being a part. So let's get right into this. This is about disrespect, right? And respecting someone. And as I said earlier, it's a choice when it's on the basis of you. Because you're deciding, when you bring somebody in your life, you're deciding to love, to do, to be with, and to give time, right? When you make that decision, it matters if you're disrespecting yourself or you're disrespecting someone else, right? So what is it that you're doing that causes you to have the issues within relationships or confrontations? It's on the basis of how you treat someone. Until you understand the way that you should love someone and someone love you back, you will have challenges within relationships, right? Now, let's talk about the example of how simple and quick you disrespect somebody, but you don't see that. One is, you ever be with someone and you're in a conversation of what you think is best for you to do. Like, i.e., let's say we're driving down the road, and a lot of times, and I'm not trying to throw my men under the bus, but this is reality. Men don't like to give women to give direction or to help them along the way, because for some reason, our men, no disrespect, you think that we're not, a part of what you got going on. We understand, where you're going, but sometimes you get lost. So why do you feel some kind of way when your mate is helping you with direction? So here's where the disrespect come in. It's the way you state your dislike for what you call backseat driver. So you'll say something like, I got this, just be quiet. To you, it was not a disrespect, but it is, because your mate is trying to help you. And this is where it comes in. When someone is trying to help you understand something, doesn't mean that they're right, but they're giving you an idea of what may help you. And sometimes it's the simplest things that you find to be respectful, but actually disrespectful. And this is why sometimes you have the confrontations you have. So here's my solution for this disrespect. Sometimes we're going to have challenges within our relationships. It's not going to always be perfect, but that doesn't mean you're always right. Sometimes the woman's wrong, sometimes the man's wrong. But when you get yourself in a situation that you find that somebody is disrespecting you, just calmly say, I don't like the way how you just spoke to me. Because all I was doing was trying to give you another way or another idea. You see where I'm going? It's not that difficult, but what a lot of times, most relationships have this heated conversation because of lack of communication and understanding. And sometimes if you just take the time to just listen to your mate, maybe they weren't telling you what to do or disrespecting you. Maybe they were just giving you a better way. Okay? So I hope this was just a quick snippet I wanted to do, and I'm going to come back and talk about this again. But I wanted to do a quick snippet on the key to respecting your mate. And as you see, this is part of the room that we're going to be a part of the Love and Touch Connect workshop. So you make sure you join the community and be a part, because you'll get to see I have other surprises that going on that you'll be a part of the Connect and Touch workshop, where I give you techniques and strategy to successful love. Okay? All right, guys, you've been with the Love Dr. Pamela. I'll be back giving you some more information that's going to help you with your relationship. Remember, we're coming back to talk about what? Love, love, love.